We are in BF Resort Village, one of the most sought-after gated communities dito sa Las Piñas City. Today, we are taking you on a tour of this brand new two-story single detached home that just flows like your best day ever. Look at this. Ang ganda ng facade, cutting edge and stylish. This lovely house sits on a 277 square meter lot area with a 407 square meter floor area. And this garage, perfect for 2 cars, and it still has space to move. Outdoor tiles, non-slip, para safe. Hanap, di ba? And since single detached itong house na ito, you've got spaces all around. Left easement, garage access, meron din sa right side. Perfect for the flow of air and natural light. Here's your daily kitchen. Your maid's room with its own toilet and bath. A centralized water heater for the entire house. Everything is designed for convenience. Okay na okay. Tara, pasok tayo.